This is from Zen Z. What?
I
What?
just read that title and what
Oh,
we just talked about.
we just talked about. We'll talk about it again. What the
Uh-huh.
heck? Zen Z Tools 2025 says I created an app and I don't know how to sell or market it. I
Hmm.
created an app to help developers, marketers, advertisers, and designers. It's totally up and live, but I don't know how to market it. Is it okay that to sell the app itself, or should I study marketing first? Yada
Yeah.
yada yada.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. What? Yes. What?
Yes.
Yes to both.
Before you start your entrepreneurial journey and start
Yeah.
building stuff that you think people might buy, learn how to sell it
Yeah.
before you make it.
Yeah.
Like entrepreneur journey should be you take a job with a small business that is good. This is my ideal journey, right?
Yep.
Get to know the owner, figure out how he learned sales and marketing because he probably did it when the business was first growing.
Yeah.
Talk to the salespeople there, talk to the marketing people, understand what it is that they really do. Do that for a year and then go and do your own thing after,
Yeah.
right? Because it's a basic skill set that is extremely costly to learn
Mm-hmm.
while you're trying to boot a business and get it off the ground because now you're learning a new skill set while trying to work on a project or software, whatever it is. It just makes it that much more difficult.
Yeah. And part one of the things. Okay, so let's say you're building an app and you don't know how to sell. Then what are you building? Right? You have
Hmm.
to know what people want. You have to know, and the way you know what people want is by understanding how to sell to people. You should already know who your core market is. So this guy's talking about selling to developers, marketers, advertisers, and designers. Well, those are 3 or 4 really different categories,
Okay.
right?
So I just pulled up his site
Okay.
and I went to his pricing.
Okay.
75 plus professional tools with lifetime access. And the pro version, lifetime access to all professional tools, is $65 one time.
Okay.
I am not buying that.
Okay.
There is no way that you're going to give me all these tools with a lifetime use
Mm-hmm.
for $65. Just
Why
not
not?
happening.
Why not?
Um, because that doesn't even pay for the servers to run it.
Okay, so I'll back up. I'm going to disagree with you on this a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, contention time.
Yep.
Have you heard of Plex? The what you call it? The media library, Plex.
Yes, but let's assume I haven't.
Okay, well, let's assume you haven't.
Because
All right. Plex is software you can use. You can either download it onto your computer or create your own server, or you can stream media, whether it's your home videos or if you have the move and do it legally, right? Movie rights to certain movies and stuff where you can download them and you can stream them from anywhere on your devices if you have your own server. Well, when Plex was first starting out, they had a lifetime license for $70 that I bought.
yeah.
And it today
Same.
it's one of the
So
biggest platforms out there.
we've bought lifetime access to tools,
Yeah.
and then what they do is they make a V2.
And you don't have it. Oh no, really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's not
Oh yeah.
cool.
So
No, that's I don't like
you
that.
still have lifetime access to the original, but they don't do anything to upgrade it. So they make a version 2 that is way better,
Oh, this
utilizing all the stuff that they.
this was the latest Black Mirror season, the
Hmm?
first episode of the Black Mirror.
Yeah,
If
the lifetime access.
oh, it was
Oh,
horrible.
but
Horrible.
now that is our basic
That's our
level now.
basic level now.
Yes.
Oh my.
Okay,
Oh,
so
if you hold on. I'm sorry. If you didn't watch this latest season of Black Mirror,
Mhm.
please just watch the first episode because
I don't think it was the first episode, was
I
it?
think it was. Look it up real quick. We'll find the name of it. It is not just heart wrenching, but it is unfortunately where we are going as a society. And as far as medical and things like that, and what
Oh
you're
yeah,
saying
it
is,
is
it's the first episode, right?
season 7, episode 1.
What's it called? It's where you buy a subscription, you buy something, and it's
Hmm.
supposed to be permanent,
Yep.
and then they say, oh well, now we have a new platform, and what you have is just the basic model. If you want
Yes.
the newer services, it's going to cost you more.
Yep.
And
So
it's a
in a,
horrible horrible.
in addition to why I don't think he can offer this lifetime for free,
Yeah.
is a lot of it is he's utilizing AI tools behind the back.
Yep.
So the moment he has to start paying for it,
Uh-huh.
if you get one power user like us,
That's using it constantly. You're gonna eat through that 65 real quick, real
he'll
quick.
be paying for us to use it.
I still think there's a happy medium somewhere. I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
there's a way to do lifetime access legitimately.
Yes.
Not, oh, okay, now we're gonna have version 2 and you
Oh
don't
yeah,
get
yeah.
access to that.
I've seen plenty of people do it successfully, but like the thing is, like with a lot of this stuff, let's look at, so it's here. I'll pull up the one I need. So SEO tools. Page speed analyzer, SEO content analyzer, schema markup generator, meta tag generator, XML, sitemap generator, mobile friendly checker, open graph generator, robot stocks TXT generator, SERP preview tool, broken link detector, keyword density checker, redirect checker. Well, most of us that are doing this for a living, we already have this built into other tools
Yeah,
that we
sure.
use, right?
So
Which
there's nothing new there.
there is nothing new. And in fact, there is nothing here that shows me why this would be better to use than what I currently have.
Okay, I gotcha.
Right? So like we have no reason, we would have no reason to switch to something like
So
this.
that's where the marketing comes in. That's where being able to sell your product. That's where
Hmm.
this guy should be in front of you, telling you why you want to switch.
Yep.
And
Yeah.
not having that skill, not having that ability, you're right. It's going to be next to impossible to sell your
Mhm.
software. Yeah.
Yeah. And a lot of this stuff looks very, very basic. Like your potential customer for this is someone that is literally just getting started in some of this SEO stuff
Yeah.
because like, yeah, not to plug anybody, but like if you're a basic SEO guy, you sign up for Rank Math, a lot of these tools are already there,
Yeah.
right? If you sign up for something like Search Atlas or there's a bunch of them out there, right? All of these tools are already built into it. So you're missing the tools that they're giving. Like you're selling the tools we get as an add-on for free with them,
Right.
right?
Right. Right.
Like
Right. 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 Well, maybe that's why they're so cheap. I don't know. All right. Well, Zenzi Tools 2025.
and if I don't have for this, if I
Yeah.
don't have a master platform that I can, like a lot of this stuff are basic. I, there's nothing here that I couldn't use ChatGPT for.
Yeah.
Like there's nothing here that I can't use that for. So paying you the $65, I'm going to eat away at your AI credits instead of mine.
Yeah. Well, maybe that's why you do it. No, but I will say this.
Trusted
Develop.
by trusted by 10,000 plus professionals worldwide.
Maybe it is,
Yeah,
right?
but there's not a single testimonial on here.
Well, again, the guy doesn't know how to market.
Don't lie.
Maybe he's not lying. Maybe he is. We don't know. We'll never know. I would say this. Congrats on making an app.
Hmm.
Not the easiest thing to do. Congrats on starting your business. But you should have. I would say, like you said in the beginning, really, you put the cart before the horse here. Learn how to market first before you go and wait and take all this time developing this
Well,
software. Because the problem is you're going to get left behind. Let's say your software is good. Let's say it's better than other ones that are out there.
yep.
How are we going to know that?
Yep.
You have to tell us
And
that.
not only that, like if you were going after my industry, whatever you have on here, it is not convincing me to switch.
Yeah.
Because it looks like you never talked to, and a lot of these are tools that are right up stuff we would use, right? Like, but there's nothing here that would make me go, yes, we need to sign up for this,
Yeah.
right? Like this would be a huge benefit to us. Like
Yeah.
there's nothing here. My guess is that he never went and talked to someone like me and said, hey, what tools do you actually need?
Right.
Like what interface would you like to see? Like what is the one thing, because some of these tools, we have them as standalone tools with different services.
Yeah.
If I could pull all of them into one panel, right? And there are people out there that literally just make panels for us. Like we pull all the data from all the different places, and all this tool does is make sense of the data,
Hmm.
right? It just shows us, gives us graphs and stuff. We pay for that. This tool doesn't add any value, like password generator. That's one of the tools.
It's still a tool.
I get it,
There,
right?
there, there,
Like
there's
I get it, but why are you selling me a password generator
right.
as
There's 100 of them for
because
free.
he specifically says it's marketers, advertisers, and designers,
Yeah.
right? Like, is it great to have if I'm already logged in and I can
So
use that
this
at the
this is
same
what I was
time?
getting at earlier. It's you made all these parts of your app, which is great, but did you ask anyone if they actually wanted them?
Yep.
And
Nope.
that's the marketing side of it.
Yeah. My guess is he didn't identify the problem before he started building.
Yeah.
He just started gathering information and built something,
Yep.
thinking he might be solving a problem, which it doesn't look like he's doing at all. I mean,
Yeah.
for someone that is brand new, starting out, has never been in this space, and is doing very, very basic things, pay him the $65 and use some of these tools. It's going to save you money on other AI
Yeah.
subscriptions.
But
But
established companies that are already using tools,
no,
you're not stealing them away from where they are.
no,
Not yet
no.
anyway.
I
Not
mean,
until you can show
damn,
why your product's
even
better.
Canva's base model has some of these, right? Like image resize tool. Like
You sound angry, like you're
I
mad at them.
no, I'm not mad at him. I'm like, go talk to someone that's in
Yeah.
any of these industries and ask them what they really need. Like if you're
Yeah.
spending time building something that's going to be useful to them,
Yeah.
find out what is going to be
Yeah, like
useful.
like image resize tool. Okay, what bothers you about the one you're currently using? Let
Correct.
me make that better.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
That's a possibility, right? Stuff like that.
Like basic things like um like we use Adobe, we use all of these things, right? Like one of the things that is a pain in the butt with Adobe is how long the load time is,
Hmm.
right? So like when you start it up, it has to load this whole thing, blah, blah, blah. Then you drop the image in, resize it. It's perfect. Microsoft Paint does the same thing in half the time,
Yeah.
right? Like I don't have to log in anywhere, don't have to do anything. I literally just push the button, put the graphic in, tell it what size, tell it
Yeah,
what output format, and I'm good, right?
that's true.
Would I ever go and log onto a website to go resize an image as a professional in this industry? No, no, we probably wouldn't, right? So once again, go talk to people in the industries that you're going after. Find out what they actually need. Like you will very quickly find out that once again, if I'm having this problem, someone else
Someone
in,
else is too.
right?
Yeah.
So like we use a project management system. Okay. We have gone through probably 13 project management systems in 20 years
Wow.
because we get to a certain point and every project management system had the same problem. It was not designed around creatives.
Hmm.
It was not designed around projects being related to a client. Rather, they were all standalone projects as if they were being done in-house,
Oh, okay.
right? So we finally found one designed by a guy that used to own an ad agency or like a creative agency. And he was so annoyed that he couldn't find a project management system
He
that
built
worked
his
for him.
own.
He built his own, and
Yeah.
now he has tens of thousands of subscribers like me that are going, this is perfect. I can now set up like, let's say we have an SEO client and we have to put content out for them.
Yeah.
I can set that up as a task and then all the subtasks, right? Write the content, optimize the content, put it on the website, like anything that's involved in that task. Once they check off that last item, right? Once that is complete,
Yeah.
it automatically regenerates itself with a due date next month.
Oh, that's cool.
You would think that's a relatively simple
So yeah,
feature,
but
right?
someone had to think of it.
Correct.
Now
Right?
that it's there, it makes sense.
Correct.
But before it
But
was
that
like,
was but that
what
was
do I
one
do?
that was one of the things that was annoying to us, right? Like, and you cannot, all the other systems we used, right? And this is going to sound like a minor problem, but it's not, would generate the new project, meaning SEO for August,
Yeah.
right? Even if you didn't get August done, it would generate SEO for September. So now you had August and September open. You cannot, it will not generate September until August has been checked off.
Oh, that's funny.
And it will start showing up as X many days overdue. This is now overdue. It starts sending emails to managers going,
Wow.
hey, we have a project that's falling behind, right? None of that stuff was really, because then manager goes, hey, are we working on SEO for Joe Schmo Company? And the guy looks at it and he's already working on September because he forgot about August. And he goes, yes. Right? Because the manager's not going to ask, hey, are we working on August?
Right.
He's just going to ask.
Yeah.
And they sound like minute problems.
No, they're there's obviously differences.
Yes.
Definitely big issues.
If you found this clip interesting, make sure to go listen to the full podcast. There's lots more content there.